When you think of artificial intelligence in Native American studies, when you have a thought or a negative thought, even sometimes positive, they call it alien because it affects your energy body and your energy in general. And so we have to think of AI as a reflection of humanity, because if you understand the concept, we all create our reality. Everything's a mirror of what's existing inside of us. It's only presenting itself because that's already existing inside of us. That's how this reality works. It's a mirror on everyone collectively and individually. So the way I see AI is not fear-based, but it has a purpose, because there's a purpose to this reality. It's not, it's like a simulation, it's a video game, but there's a purpose. And the purpose is not to change it, but to change ourselves. Because we have infinite distractions, infinite reasons to be terrified, to be worried, to not believe in ourselves, but that's the game. Because if we are infinite, pure consciousness, then this is just a game to remind us who we really are. You need limitations, you need rules and boundaries, so you can be like, oh, this is just a silly, stupid video game, and then stop playing it and live in a place of pure creation, which is from the heart.